Today I'm going to explain to you how to use private mode in ChatGPT, or temporary chat. So you may have noticed up here in the upper right corner there's a little, looks like a little lasso or um, speech bubble from a comic or something. It says turn on temporary chat if you hover over that. So if we click on that, it turns it on. So we're in temporary chat, so it won't save your chat to the chat history. It won't save anything from this chat to ChatGPT's memory. It won't be used for training. For safety purposes, they may save a copy for up to 30 days. So one reason to use this is if it's something that you just don't want recorded in the chat anywhere, whatever reason that is. It could be anything from it's more sensitive information, or you just don't want it captured within the chat logs and stuff. But another main reason for this is sometimes you talk about something if you talk to ChatGPT a lot and ask a lot of questions, it will kind of figure out what you're about, like you're interested in IT or you're interested in business, and it will kind of keep track of that stuff. And so if you talk about something off the wall that you're just curious about, if you just use a regular chat, it will capture that, and it might start suggesting things based on that. So like if you're talking to ChatGPT and mention, or you're talking about a John Wayne movie or something, it may remember that, and it may keep on asking you about John Wayne, or saying if you wanted to find another John Wayne movie for you or whatever. So it can kind of be annoying and make your ChatGPT a little less efficient for the things that you normally use it for. So that's another reason to turn it off. The other thing about this is if you have a chat in here and you chat and it's off the record, it's not in the saved chats, you can always copy this and paste it into a Word document or a Notepad document and save the text to it. And so that's a tip. So if you want to do something, you don't want it in ChatGPT's memory, you can do that. The other thing you can do is if you save that document and you want to go back and have another chat about whatever you were chatting about, you can go back into temporary chat and then cut and paste the document from the previous chat back into temporary chat, and it will get all that information back, and so you can continue talking where you left off because you're putting the chat back in, and then it will remember the chat as long as you paste the whole text into the box. So that's how you go into private mode in ChatGPT, and a couple little tips for you as well.